One.
Yeah. We are very specific that Council of Governors has no issue with the Senate. We even have no issue with all the Senate committees. We have a problem not just with the CPAC committee. We have a problem with 4 senators. They know themselves in the committee of CPAC of the Senate. Those 4 senators know themselves. And we are saying they are involved in extortionists, being extortionists. They harass governors, they intimidate them. They even use political maneuvers of keeping governors there the whole day, waiting to be seen without even communicating to them, hoping that the governors will be able to give in to their whims. And we are saying Senate is a house of noble men and women. There are other senators who can serve in that committee and will not appear in that CPAC committee if and until when those senators and the leadership is changed, because they are the ones who are spoiling and they are making the Senate appear as if it is a place the serious business is not done, but instead we have political maneuvers that are underlined with personal interest. Yet it is not the whole Senate. It is just only 4 senators, and they know themselves. But there's no need of naming them. They know themselves. 4 of them in CPAC, they know themselves.
Maybe you can mention the company.